Jai Srimanarayana. 64th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvaguhyatamam bhuyaha srunu me paramam vachaha इष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितम्। Did you ever pay serious attention to what Sri Krishna Paramatma intensely declaring to you? Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that you are exceedingly dear to him. Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that he wants to give the supreme benefits to you. Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that he wants to do the best to you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely pay my serious attention to what you are declaring to me. I shall now realize that I am exceedingly dear to you. I shall realize that you want to give the best to me. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Aditi observed Payovratam, which is taught by Kasyapa Prajapati. Aditi did that vratam with all of her attention and devotion, by which Sakshat Sriman Narayana got very much pleased and appeared right in front of Aditi. Tasyaha pradurabhut Bhagavan Adipurushaha Pitavasaha Chaturbahuhu Shankha Chakra Gadadharaha. చతుర్బాహుండు పీతవాసుండును శంఖ చక్ర గదాధరుండును అయిన నారాయణ దేవుండు ప్రత్యక్షంబయ్యే. సాక్షాత్ ఆదిపురుష శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, who is wearing Shankha Chakra Gada Padmas, appeared right in front of Aditi. Aditi is looking at that beautiful form of Paramatma. With unlimited joy, Aditi nanama bhuvi kayena dandavat priti vihvala. She did her sashtanga namaskaram to Srimannarayana. After that, she stood. She is standing right in front of Paramatma. With unlimited amount of joy, she was unable to speak a single word. She is standing silently right in front of Paramatma. Her eyes are filled up with tears, and with so much of happiness, all her body is getting goosebumps and shaking. చూపుల శ్రీపతి రూపమునా పోవకత్రావి త్రావి హర్షోద్ధతయై మంద మధురాలాపంబుల పొగడెన్ అదితి లక్ష్మీనాథున్. With so much of happiness, with that sore throat, she started now praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 18th chapter 64th శ్లోక. సర్వగుహ్యతమం భూయః శృణు మే పరమం వచః. ఇష్టోసి మే దృఢమితి తతో వక్ష్యామి తే హితం. సర్వగుహ్యతమం భూయః శృణు మే పరమం వచః. ఇష్టోసి మే దృఢమితి తతో వక్ష్యామి తే హితం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.